So I want to configure the doc router to process a type of a document, and I choose to process receipts for the purpose of this example. These can be processed in one shot. This is an example receipt from a mega big box. This is the actual extraction that we end up getting. So how do I configure this? I need to create a tag for receipt, and you see the receipt tag here. I need to have a format for the extraction. This is the retail receipt that can be configured through the drag and drop UI here. And this will have store name, store phone. Let's see what else. List of purchased items, which is an array type with description, price, tax indicator, and so on. The schema is also available in a JSON schema format that can be pasted in or downloaded. And then finally configure the prompt and associate it with the tag that I assigned. The document will have the same tag, and the document knows it needs to run this prompt based on tag association. This prompt from the available models uses the Gemini 3 Flash model. This is the prompt. It's going to have the text of the prompt that describes what specifics to extract for each field and what format. The model from the available language models. We support all major language models and all major clouds. The schema, and a bunch of other minor settings, including the whether to include OCR or not in the processing. So that's it. This can be manually configured. Obviously, it's a bit complicated to get it perfect, but there's actually a better way to do this configuration because we have this document agent. So instead of manually configuring the tag, the schema, and the prompt, I can make it a lot simpler by just entering my request here in the agent to create a schema, prompt, and tag for the attached type of documents. In the next video, I'm going to show you how this prompt actually runs, but for a sneak preview, in the previous run, it called tools to learn what is the schema format and what is the prompt format. The list LLM models tool learned what LLM models are enabled. Then it generated the schema. It called the validate tool to actually validate that it's correctly formatted. It created the schema, at which point the schema gets populated in the system, created the tag, created the prompt, and finally run the extraction that you see here. So this extraction was run with an auto-generated prompt through the agent. The agent can also be used to verify extractions or do any type of operation through document APIs in the doc router. I'll see you in the next video to see in practice run of the document agent. Thank you.